So you want to upgrade your car audio system and add 4 aftermarket speakers. You're going to need an aftermarket amplifier. But maybe you don't have much space and you need something that can easily integrate with your factory system. I'm Mark from the YouTube channel Car Audio Fabrication, here today on behalf of AudioControl to show you why you need the AudioControl ACM-4.300. This 4-channel 4x75 watts RMS at 2 ohms or 4x50 watts RMS at 4 ohms amplifier not only packs a punch, but has a wide variety of features. First off, installation is simple, starting with connecting an 8-gauge or larger power wire and ground. Next, if you are using a factory head unit, tap into the speaker wires of the vehicle in order to provide signal to the amplifier, as this amplifier has a line output converter built in. To connect our new aftermarket speakers, we use the speaker connections here. And keep in mind, this amplifier could be run with 4 speakers, or you could also bridge the channels for a more powerful single speaker. With these connections made, the amplifier will monitor the speaker inputs, and using AudioControl's GTO or Great Turn-On technology, once a signal is detected, the amplifier will automatically turn on. Already have an aftermarket head unit or DSP installed? Then provide audio signal to the ACM-4.300 with the RCA Line level inputs. To avoid sending unwanted low-end sound to our new speaker system, we can adjust the included high-pass crossovers to 80 Hz or 120 Hz, or for applications where the crossover will be further upstream in the system, we can simply bypass the crossover, allowing for flexible system design. To properly level match the ACM-4.300 with the equipment providing the audio signal, we can simply adjust the gain controls that include a maximized light for each channel pair. This allows for precision setup without the need for additional testing tools. For further system expansion, this amplifier can be paired with the ACM-1.300 for a compact 5-channel system. Next time you want to simply add new speakers and amplify them in a car audio system with a small, compact, yet very powerful amplifier, definitely consider the ACM-4.300. For a more advanced video about the ACM series of amps, check out this video here on screen. On behalf of AudioControl, thank you for watching.